Do you want a solution to all your heavy-duty fabrication work? Looking for a tool that outperforms bandsaws, grinders, even plasma cutters for cost per cut, speed and ease of use? This is your new friend, the Evolution S210CCS 210mm metal cutting circular saw with supplied 210mm mild steel cutting TCT blade. Filled with a powerful 1800 watt high torque motor and gearbox system, this saw will slice through bar, rod, angle, tube and sheet metal in a matter of seconds with accurate straight line cuts. Faster, cleaner and much safer than an abrasive method of cutting, this gives you ready to weld cuts which are cool enough to handle right off the saw. Evolution Power Tools also offers a smaller 185mm metal cutting circular saw, the S185CCSL. If you'd like to learn more about this saw, please visit the Evolution Power Tools website via the on-screen link below for full specifications. Now moving over to the S210CCS I have here. It's a game changer in the field of metal cutting solutions with its innovative features and track compatibility. It's accurate, giving you the ability to achieve precision cutting on your sheet metal and profiles. It's reliable for long blade life and tool durability, whether you are making steel profiles for kit cars, building industrial furniture, to heavy-duty on-site fabrication work. And it's powerful, with the torque to even cut through the toughest materials, or cut like butter with this saw, and without any reduction in blade capacity or performance. First off, let's dive straight into the cutting specs, because I know you're wanting to know the depth of cut. Simply release this lever here to adjust the depth, and then lock back into place. At maximum capacity, it can cut through a metal profiles of a whopping 77mm, or 72mm when fitted to the optional tracks. Perfect for those large box section profiles or round stock. This saw can cut to an impressive wall thickness of 13mm in sheet material. There's a parallel edge included, which slots in like so, and then a quick tighten of the locking knob and you're ready to go. For assisted accurate line cutting in all your metal sheet materials, from mild steel plate to aluminium cladding. The straight edge is made from cast aluminium and is the full length of the machine, ensuring it's fully secured in place, providing complete accuracy. There's markings on the guide to assist with your cutting measurements. A great safety feature is this guard retraction lever you can see here. It's been designed to allow the guard to retract without you, the user, having to remove your hands from the handles, staying in complete control of both the machine and on that cutting line. I really like this ambidextrous bail handle design here. The soft grip ensuring it both comfortable and easy to use. It gives you complete freedom of control and precision, whether you are a left or a right-handed user. The trigger handle is also designed for both-handed use, so you can easily activate the lock switch here like so. Watch this. As soon as I ease off the trigger, the electronic blade brake kicks into immediate effect, stopping the blade in mere seconds. A fantastic feature that I like is this integrated automatic chip collector situated here at the front of the machine. The vent here works to reduce the heat buildup, which is effective especially when cutting larger workpieces. The window here allows you to monitor chip collection levels whilst working with the saw. To empty, engage this button here to remove the outer cover. There's two ways to empty the collection tray. Either activate this quick release button to tool-free operation in emptying the collector, or if you've been undertaking heavy fabrication work, this may be a little warm, so give it a tap like this to empty out the compartment. Now, put back into place and you're good to go. For blade changes, it's quick and easy. Simply locate the onboard tool storage in the form of this handy Allen key here. As I demonstrated earlier, again remove the chip collection cover, like so, to gain access to the blade arbor. Insert the Allen key like this and engage the arbor lock like so to loosen the bolt. As you can see on screen here, all you have to do is remove the bolt and outer flange and then swap out your fresh blade and slot it into place. Put back the flange and screw on the arbor bolt. Again, engage the arbor pin for that final tighten to secure the blade back in place. Clip back on the cover and you're ready for action. There's an overload system light situated here on the saw. During normal operation, this light will always be green. If the saw is put under excessive load, for instance after weeks of use and the blade is dull, this light may turn red. This will indicate the motor is under heavy load and there may be a risk of overheating. You can either stop and pause operation or finish that cut and put the saw down to rest. A nice feature which will assist in maximising the motor life. The solid aluminium base here has a window. You can easily monitor where the front of your blade is at all times during operation. This window here is your line of sight. Now, a great feature of this saw is the use of shadow line technology implemented. An LED work light casts a sharp shadow onto the blade's cutting path, onto the workpiece, ensuring your cut stays true. This level of accuracy is an essential feature to ensure all your cuts are spot on, clean and ready to work on. As I mentioned earlier, this saw is in fact track compatible and can be fitted to all of Evolution Power Tools range of tracks. As an optional accessory, the track adapter I have here is a neat upgrade for this saw. These two grooves here nest onto the base here and clip on like so. Then you can quickly tighten into place with these two ring nuts applied. This adapter, like the parallel guide, is formed from rigid cast aluminium and once fitted to either the 1400mm or 2800mm tracks available, you can guarantee a straight and true cut in all your sheet metals. In addition to the supplied mild steel blade, Evolution also offer a range of material-specific 210mm blades which are compatible with the circular saw. All are great options for extended blade life if you are going to be working with a lot of specific metal. There's this aluminium cutting blade which I have here. This blade has a specifically designed tooth geometry to enable it to avoid clogging on the aluminium stock, which is inherently a soft metal. When cutting aluminium, it's recommended to use a light lubricant. The thin steel blade, which looks like so, the kerf is slimmer than the mild steel blade at 1.8mm, has been designed to leave a cleaner and smoother cut on those particularly thin metals. Last but not least is this stainless capable blade here. If you are needing to cut 302, 303 or 304 graded stainless, this is the option for you. Do be sure to check the grade of the metal from your supplier, as there are lots of different grades of stainless available on the market. Evolution Power Tools backs all this up with a best-in-class 3-year warranty with this saw, so you can be sure this will be tough enough to stand up to all that heavy-duty metal and fabrication work you have in the pipeline. And there you have it, the Evolution S210CCS 210mm metal cutting circular saw with optional track adapter. A heavy-duty option for cutting all your metal profiles and sheets, and much quicker, cleaner and safer than abrasive methods. That's it from me today. Thanks a lot for watching and see you on the next one.